Good morning, everyone, from the National Weather Service in Pocatello, Idaho. This is your weather hazard briefing for Saturday, September 23rd. Our key points for the day: high pressure is building in behind the departing system that's brought active weather over the last several days. So we're looking at dry conditions with mostly clear skies over the next several days. We'll also see light winds, and our temperatures will be trending warmer. We'll have a chilly start to this morning with the potential for fog formation as well. Lows this morning will be in the 30s across the lower elevations, even chillier in the 20s higher up in the mountains. And we do have freeze warnings and frost advisories in effect through 9 a.m. this morning. Before we get started with today's graphics, here's a look at the 72-hour precipitation totals over the last several days. Portions of the Snake Plain over ½ an inch, but here in Pocatello and further south and to the east, you can see they received 1.5 inches, even up to 2 inches over the last several days with that heavy rainfall. Here's a current look at satellite imagery. Mostly clear skies here. We do have some low-level stratus to our east and to our north. And off the coast here is our next system that we will be watching over the next several days, with some moisture filtering into the Pacific Northwest. So our matrix for the next several days pretty empty. Things have definitely calmed down. For the Snake Plain and Magic Valley, we're just looking at those freeze warnings and frost advisories. Otherwise, things will be quiet today with mostly clear skies, light winds, dry conditions. And the next day that we're looking at for just slight chances for showers across our northern zones, that will be Tuesday and forward. So those products that I mentioned that we have out, we've got the frost advisories for the Shoshone and Burley area, and also across the Rexburg, Idaho Falls zone, and freeze warnings in effect for the lower Snake Plain and Arco Desert area. High temperatures for today. Some places will see an increase in 10 or more degrees warmer from yesterday's highs. So we're generally looking at low to upper 60s across the Snake Plain, and then of course cooler in our higher elevations. And we'll continue that warming trend for tomorrow. For our lows tomorrow morning, generally everywhere is looking to stay right at or above freezing. And for our highs, another 5 to 10 degrees warm up for our high temperatures for tomorrow. And again on Monday, increasing our temperatures yet again. So for our lows, we're looking at upper 40s for here and further south, and mid to upper 30s for most of the Snake Plain, Arco Desert area. And then for our highs, generally in the 70s across the lower elevations and cooler in the mountains. All right, so that's all we've got today. So just to summarize, we're looking at a very pleasant day for this Saturday as well as tomorrow, with high pressure building in behind the departing system. So we're looking at dry conditions, mostly clear skies with light winds and increasing temperatures. It will be chilly this morning with the potential for fog out there. We also could see freezing temperatures, maybe just below freezing in a couple of our zones. So we do have the freeze warning and frost advisories in effect. But over the next several days, temperatures will continue to warm up. So do enjoy your weekend. It will be a nice one. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to reach out. Hope you have a wonderful day.